land, plots, peace. What is your dream home like? What is it you're looking for? Happiness, prosperity, freedom, security, stature.
The locality is the most important thing for me when I'm looking at my dream house.
The neighborhood, of course, should be very decent. There should be development around like shopping areas, banks, medical facilities, good schools, and of course, transportation should be very easy.
Basic amenities like electricity, transformers, drinking water, sewage lines should all be functioning without any issues.
Security is very important. A gated community would be the best.
And if it's close to the outer ring road, then it will be absolutely fabulous.
I believe in Vastu. The layout should and my house should accordingly be according to Vastu.
And yes, the airport should be nearby. I travel a lot.
There should be ample green area, open space for the children.
An open sit-out area, a lush green lawn where I can chill out after a hard day, a clean swimming pool. These things are so very rare these days in residential spaces in this city.
My house should be away from noise and pollution. At least in my home, I can expect a peaceful atmosphere.
After all, property is investment. There should be no legal or litigation issues.
My new home should be in an upcoming area and there should be good scope for value of appreciation.
I should get the best deal at the best price, and that's what I call value for money.
That would be an ideal home.
Am I asking for too much?
That would be an ideal home for me.
A perfect dream home.
Stretched across 40 acres with developments to cater every need for comfortable and healthy lifestyle. Welcome to the self-contained township.
Government has sanctioned about 2,380 crores for just infrastructure developments in and around Maheshwaram, like developing roads, water connection, power connection, etc. This project is adjoining this 150 feet road, which is a 4-lane highway that the government has already started development.
From investments in plot sizes range from 267 square yards to 600 square. The layout is very lavishly worked upon with a floor area of 25,000 square feet. With a swimming pool, open-air theatre, gymnasium, banquet hall, restaurant and sit-out green lawns, it creates a perfect atmosphere for recreation. Other developments include a boundary wall covering the entire township, a common gate with 24/7 security. There is also a facility to hire a personal gardener to maintain plantations of private lawns of plot owners.